Mr. Rochester, I'm gonna put you on mute until your name is called. And keep on your video, right? Mr. Rocky, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2. We missing 2.
It's all right. Let's just do them after Darnell. Let's go with these.
Okay. Everyone, 36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no walking around, sleeping, talking, sleep, driving, smoking. When your name is called, please give your full undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor. You muted, Judge.
I'm just not talking loud enough, sorry. Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Ms. Soroki. We'll start with John Drain. Everyone, when I call your case, please let Ms. Soroki, the attorney, say her name first, and then you can say your name. This is the people versus John Drain, ticket number P1364475, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, good morning. Pauline Soroki on behalf of John Drain.
Mr. Drain,
Yes, how you
say your
doing?
name.
Yes, how you doing, Your Honor? My name is John Drain.
Your Honor, at this time, my client is entering a plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Ms. Soroki, there is a recommendation for to dismiss this. Do you stipulate the proper cause?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're on set, Mr. Drain. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Carlos Davis, ticket number SP1244296, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP1131059, count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count 2, driver's license expired, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Yes,
Your
Carlos
Honor.
Davis. I'm sorry.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Carlos Davis. At this time, my client is entering a plea and not guilty, requesting the bench warrant be set aside and requesting a bench trial date.
Okay, the court will set aside the bench warrant. Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of you to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
And you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Oh, hold on, Judge. Mr. Davis, you will have to be still and quiet.
Okay, I can't hear, sir. I'm sorry. I can't hear the judge. I can't hear nothing. The volume went down.
You have to sit down and be quiet, Mr. Davis. Judge, the last thing I thought I heard you say, you understand that the court is the fact finder, and then I lost it. Mr. Davis, you have to be still.
Yes, sir. But I can't hear you, sir. The volume went down on your end.
Judge, the last thing I heard you say, you told the defendant, do you understand that the court is the fact finder? And that was the last thing I heard.
All right, so Mr. Davis, do you understand that the court will be the fact finder in your case?
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set it for a bench trial date for February 8th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Okay, so you're all set.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. we'll do Michael Davis. This is is it Michelangelo Davis?
Yes.
Angelo? I'm sorry. All right, this is the people, Mr. Davis. This, you can unmute yourself, sir. Look on the bottom left-hand corner. This is the people versus Michael Davis, ticket number SP 1347170, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Michael Davis.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Michael Davis. Angelo?
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Davis is asking the warrant be set aside. He's entering a plea of not guilty and a bench trial date.
Okay, the court will set aside the warrant. Mr. Davis, can you raise your right hand, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes, ma'am.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for February 8th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
Oh, no, ma'am. You say February 8th?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, you're all set. Good luck. All right, this
Do I
is the
hold
people
on or
versus-
just, I can hang up?
You can disconnect, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Michaela Roche, ticket number SX 1511807, count 2, supply false information and or ID to police officer, and count 3, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Roche.
Say your name, ma'am.
Michaela Roche.
Your Honor, at this time, we ask that the warrant be set aside. Ms. Roche enters a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, the court will set aside the warrant. Ms. Roche, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for February 8th at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
No.
So you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
This is you're welcome. This is the people versus Jermaine Rooks, ticket number U635028222. Count 1, operate adult use marijuana establishment without a license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Rooks.
Say your name, sir.
I'm Mustafa, representing Jermaine Rooks.
Are you Mr. Rooks?
Yes, that's my, I'm tribal, so my tribal name is Mustafa. I have all my documentation and everything that I want to prove and show the court, but I'm here representing, I'm here for that matter, yes.
Okay, how does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, he's entering a plea of not guilty. He's requesting a motion hearing date.
I didn't enter a plea of not guilty.
Asking for a motion date.
Yes,
What motion is he filing?
I believe a motion to dismiss.
He didn't want to just set this for a bench trial date?
Maybe the court could send both on the same date. He's gotta file the motion per the court rules, or he's gotta have counsel file his motion, so.
So, Mr. Brooks, are you asked, or also known as Mr. Mustafa, are you asking the court to appoint an attorney? Because for you,
I'm refusing an attorney. I can represent myself. I'm going to file a motion for the case for dismissal.
okay, so so you want to represent yourself,
Yes,
and want to set this for a motion date
yes,
to have this to see if the court will dismiss this?
yes. I want to enter some of my evidence and just my paperwork on everything that I have.
It sounds like you want a trial.
No, not a trial. I want to set this for a motion to dismiss. I'm protected under the International Human Rights and Protection, the law remedies of the General Assembly.
No, that doesn't apply. That doesn't apply, Mr. Rooks. It doesn't apply here. So do you want to just set this for a bench trial date? If you set it for a bench trial date and the officers don't show up, this will likely be dismissed anyway.
But I'm not, my indigenous rights don't allow me to go to court and stuff like this. I'm protected by the international. So.
But you're not, sir. We're under state law. That doesn't apply here, sir.
And
I
number
don't
one, you are in court already. You're in
I-
court.
Right.
don't-
You're already doing a court hearing as we speak.
I was trying to file a motion, but it was no way for me to file a motion with the ticket number. I went online and I tried to do everything to file a motion already, and there's just no way for me to set this for a motion. So I was waiting till I come in front of you to move my motion forward. So I can submit all my paperwork to the courts.
Paperwork regarding the marijuana establishment?
Yeah, but that and me. It's just, it's not a marijuana establishment.
Okay, I'm not really,
Okay.
the issue of you being indigenous, that doesn't really apply, but as far as the marijuana establishment, you can submit your paperwork to the prosecutor and she can determine if she's willing to dismiss this or not.
It's no way. I didn't even know who the prosecutor was because this paper doesn't.
So Mr. Rooks, I'll give you her email. It's not gonna say it on there, but I'll give you her email address and you can submit your paperwork to her and then see if she'll be willing to dismiss it.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
So sure, no problem. So it's her email address is Tom, Tom.
Excuse me, Your Honor, it's Horn time.
Horn Tom, thank you. Horn, Horne, Tom. Thank you, Mr. President.
Is there a way I can get that email to me? So I won't get it wrong.
We can put it in the chat box, sir.
Okay.
So we'll put it in the chat box. I'll adjourn this. Because it would be helpful if Ms. Horn was here so that she can also pick a motion date.
Do you want to wait for her? She's in the building, right?
She is in the building. I guess what I'll do is I'll set this for January 24th. Your motion needs to be into the court by January 17th.
Okay.
But like I said, you can send her your paperwork and she may be willing to dismiss it without even us having a motion.
Okay.
But you're still gonna, I know
would
you
do both.
indicated that you're, I'm sorry?
I would do both. I would send in my motion and I would send her the paperwork. So I make sure I'm clear on both ends.
Okay. That's fine. Otherwise, like I said, we can set it for a bench trial date on February 18th and be done with this.
Will I be able to submit all my paperwork at the court date?
You would send your paperwork in to her and she'll make
Okay.
the determination
Okay,
as to whether she'll dismiss it or not. But if
Okay.
not, then if you lose on your motion, then we would likely at that point, we could set up for trial. And it could be a
Okay.
bench trial, or it could be a jury trial.
okay,
Alright, so that's what we'll do. We'll come back on January 24th. Motions need to be in by the 17th.
And Ms. Soroki, did you send Mr. Rux, also known as Mustafa, the chat for Ms. Horn's email?
I don't. It's,
Sure, I'll put it in the chat.
okay, I got it.
Okay, you finish, you can send all your paperwork and your motion to the prosecutor to have her to review everything, then come back on January 24th.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. Judge, did you give him a time though? I didn't put down a
I'm sorry,
time.
8:35.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Eduardo Romo, ticket number P1371750, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, PF Mr. Romo.
Say your name, sir.
Eduardo Romo.
Your Honor, Mr. Romo did provide insurance with an expiration date of 1/13/2023. I'm moving for dismissal.
You stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Romo. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Diane Rochester, ticket number SP1366223, count one, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, PF Mr. Rochester. Say your name, Mr. Rochester. Your Honor, he's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Okay, it looks like for this ticket, there is a recommendation to dismiss it, but it looks like there's another ticket that's in warrant status of a fail to display.
So I may ask that the court dismiss the one ticket that has the recommendation on it. Mr. Zion, did you have a license?
No,
Do you want to get a trial date or do you want to cop a plea to no license? It's no points.
I can't hear him. I can't hear him. Mr. I can't hear him.
We just get him a trial date, Your Honor, a bench trial date. He's gonna have to come back when he's got a, you know.
You know what? I'm gonna push your PR.
Rochester, say something, because I like to put you, I would like to put your waiver on the record.
If I get a trial date, if I bring my license by then, will it be dismissed?
Yes.
Okay, I would like to schedule a trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Rochester. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. Do you understand you have the right to a jury trial? You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for February 8th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Versus Michael Delahue, ticket number SP 1316853, count 1, driver's license never acquired, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, expired plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Michael W.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Delahue. At this time, he's continuing his plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, and you know what the offer was to the expired plates?
Correct, sir. So you could have admitted one count of expired plates and the other tickets would be dismissed. Do you want to do that, sir, or do you want to come back to a trial?
Okay, so if I take that, then I still had to pay that ticket off then, right?
Correct, with time
Is
to
that
pay.
is that the ticket with the remaining balance of $45?
It would be $145.
Okay, and we can do that.
Okay, so with that, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Roki?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And you stipulate the probable cause as to counts 1 and 2 to be dismissed without prejudice?
So stipulated.
All right, they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $145 because it's a civil infraction. You have 14 days to pay it. Can you have it paid by January 17th?
Can I get to like the 21st?
January 31st?
No, 21st.
I was just gonna give you another two months.
Okay.
I mean, 2 weeks rather. So it's due by
Okay.
January 31st. If you can pay it by the 21st, that's fine, but that's when it's due, okay?
Okay.
All right, any questions?
No, that's it.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you. Enjoy your day.
You too,
You too,
sir.
sir. Thank you. This is the people versus Davis. Ticket number SP 1362652, count 1, driver's license expired, count 2, disregard traffic control device. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Darcel Davis. Mr. Davis, can you put your name on the record?
Darcel Davis.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, he did have a valid license today, dated 5/25/2026. So on that count, I move for dismissal.
Okay, and I'm sorry, you know what, count 2 is not on the docket, but the prosecutor did not have an objection to setting aside the default on that. And then the offer was limited access 1 to 5.
You want to take that, Mr. Davis? It's no points.
That's on a disregarding traffic signal.
Yes, so they brought that ticket back up again. It's not in default anymore. So if you want to accept something on that, that's no points.
Yes.
We're ready, Your Honor.
All right, so you stipulate to the face of the ticket.
So stipulated.
And the court will amend count 2 to limited access 1 to 5, and then you stipulate the probable cause as to count 1 to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So that's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $125. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you have it paid by January 17th?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have any questions?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.